Hello everyone, I'm Jason, and in this video I will be showing you how to make money on TikTok as a complete beginner. I'll be showing you step by step how others are able to do this without showing their face or using their voice, and it's completely free. If you like videos like these on how to make money online, be sure to hit that subscribe button as I release daily videos. The first thing I want you to do is go onto TikTok, and I want you to type in manifestation, and you're going to look on TikTok channels like this one. As you can see right here, these persons are making money on TikTok without showing their face or using their voice. All you have to do is simply find videos or pictures, and you're going to go into the manifestation niche, and you can find quotes just like these that you'll be able to upload. And by consistently uploading and with this magic link in your description right here, you will be able to earn money. So first, create a TikTok account just like this one right here. We are going to go into the manifestation niche. Once you have done that, you're going to start posting. And by the way, to put a link in your description in TikTok, you have to have, I think, up to 1,000 followers, which is quite easy to do if you're consistent with your uploading. And as you can see right here, if I were to tap on this link here, it would redirect me to this page, and I would tap on open anyway, and you can see the offer that they are promoting. You can see it right here. And if I should go onto this TikTok page also and tap on this offer, you can see that they are promoting the same offer. I'll be showing you where they are getting this offer from that they are using to make a lot of money on TikTok. And you can see that they are using a simple bit.ly link. The first thing you're going to need to do is go over to Digistore 24, and you can sign up to Digistore 24 completely free. Once on Digistore 24, you are going to go into their marketplace. So you are going to tap on marketplace. Then from here, let me copy the offer. You can see that the offer that they are promoting is Wealth DNA code. So I simply copied the offer and paste it in the search bar, and you can see the exact offer that they are promoting. So if you want to promote that similar offer that obviously is getting a lot of traction, you could tap on promote now and you would get the link. Or you can simply scroll down and you can select spirituality, and from here you could select any one of the offers on Digistore 24 that you think is a good option. As you can see, each offer offers a different amount of commission and money, so you can use your discretion. But I would recommend that you do something similar to what they are doing, as it obviously is working. And by the way, to get the content to post on TikTok, all you'll have to do is simply go over to pexels.com. You can also use Pixabay. This is a website that persons come on to get copyright-free photos and videos. And by copyright-free, I mean that you don't have to worry about getting any copyright strike or anything like that. It's completely free to use on TikTok or any social media platform. So you can see I'm currently on pexels.com, and I typed in universe, and you can see some universe photos right here. And if I wanted to find a video, I could tap on videos, and you can download them. After downloading the photos or videos, all you're going to need to do is simply go into Google, and from there you're going to type in manifestation quotes, as I did earlier, and it led me to this website right here. And from here you'll see different manifestation codes that you can copy and add to your TikTok posts. And to upload or create your TikTok posts, all you have to do is simply sign up to canva.com. Canva.com is a completely free website that you can use to create TikTok videos, or you can use to create YouTube videos, any type of content you want. So you would simply sign up with Canva. Then you are going to select social media at the top right here, and from here you are going to select TikTok video. After selecting TikTok video, you will be led to this page, and from here you would simply drag the photo or videos that you had downloaded from Pexels, and then you'll also add the quotation. and you will simply download this video after you have made it and upload it to TikTok. Now that you have uploaded the video to TikTok and you have reached 1,000 followers, all you'll need to do now is create a link with Bitly, as you can see right here, the same link that they are creating. All you have to do is simply sign up to bitly.com, which again is completely free. So you'll simply go over to bitly.com. Then you're going to see link in bio, this new feature right here, which is the example that I was showing you right here. It's completely free, and you will simply tap on get started. Then you are going to go back over to Digistore 24 and you are going to collect the offer. And you are going to create a TikTok page and a TikTok description just like this one, and you would be surprised how much money you'll be able to make without showing your face or using your voice. Completely free. All it takes is time. And to make money online, or to make serious money online, it is going to take consistent work. It doesn't come easy. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.